What's up, people? So I'm about to make an entry on Euro USD. So let me just enter the details. Yeah, and let's set our stop loss. So my stop loss is 1.00513. Yeah, so that is our entry, and our TP is just about a 1 to 2. That's the lowest risk reward I've ever had. But during my back tests, I have witnessed 1 to 2s and stuff. Yeah, my take profit is somewhere here. Yeah, so let me just show you the entry on TradingView. Yeah, so that is the setup. Yeah, that's the setup for Euro USD. Just a simple 1 to 2, 1 to 2.8, which is better than nothing. Yeah, and planning to buy actually. It's retracing to our demand zone, which will allow us to buy until the levels I was talking about. I can even target the demand zone, but that's not part of my plan. But then we'll see what will happen. Yeah, so if we get 1 minute confirmation in this level, we'll buy up until here or here, or even just to take out the whole thing. Yeah, so see how things will go. And for USDCHF, a similar thing is happening. Just waiting for confirmation. But this is an Asia session, Asia range setup. So if I do get 1 minute confirmation here, of which let's see it has happened. Yeah, I can see there's choke. Where is our 1 minute high? So our 1 minute high is right here. This is our 1 minute high. So if we manage to take out this high, I'll set my buy limits to take out the Asia range. Yeah, so to take out the Asia range, yeah, that will be my target, which is just simply this high here. Then if price does manage to give 15-minute confirmation in this zone, I'll target this high. Yeah, for CHFJPY, yeah, finally retracing to our supply zone. We have not taken out this low, so this supply zone is still valid. Waiting for 1 minute confirmation in there, then I target this low. Yeah, that's what's happening. Okay, so we've taken out the high on USDCHF. So now I'm going to set my buy limits just below these wicks, because these are order blocks in the lower time frame. So these are extreme order block, and I'm going to get the Asia high. So let's see, long position. How many pips is our stop loss? About 4.3 pips. About a 1 to 4, which is pretty cool. So yeah, when price retraces, but getting the Asia high. If price reaches a high before retracing, then cool. It's a missed trade. Just have to accept. So how many pips is the stop loss? 4.3. Let's calculate how much we're supposed to risk. So to risk 44 USD because of commissions and stuff, I'm just risking 44, so the extra 6 USD will go to commissions and stuff. So 1.01, okay. And let's see our stop loss. Stop loss is right here. Wait a second. 1 minute chart. Okay, so our stop loss is right here. 98,082. Yeah, and our target is 98,340. Probably this level. Oh, so it's here actually. 98,300. Yeah, so it's 98,300. So we'll see how price will act. We shall see. Yeah, see how the trade will play out. And yeah. So update you. Okay, so about to get triggered with Euro USD. Yeah, so yeah, we must be triggered now. Let's check it out. We have been triggered. So let's see how the trade will play out. I'll update you. Okay, so we're floating in profits for some time. As you can see, price actually started going in our direction, and then there was this spike to the upside. So I'm pretty sure it's some kind of news event or something. I don't really pay that much attention to news, so check. It must be some CPI or something, but yeah, I've been stopped out, and due to the spike there was some slippage, hence I've lost 55 USD. Yeah, I've lost more than 50, but it's cool, it's fine. You know, see how things will progress, because I think I'm about to be triggered with USDCHF. Or maybe I might have missed the entry. So if price takes off from this level, then I have missed this trade by about how many pips? 0.5 pips. Yeah, so anyway, we'll see how things will go. If we miss the trade, it's cool, it's part of the process. And yeah, it seems like the losing streak has not yet ended, because this trade gave me hope that the losing streak will end on it, but unfortunately we have been stopped out. Yes. Okay, so we've been triggered into USDCHF. Yeah, so we'll see how things will go with this one. So as we can see, floating in profits. with USDCHF. And this is hope for the best. Yeah. So we've also been stopped out with USDCHF. So yeah, it is freaking crazy. Woo! This has been the toughest period, to be honest. It has been really freaking crazy. Anyway, we'll see how things will go. It's a long-term thing, so we'll just see how things will go. Okay, what's up, guys? So I've gotten an entry. Yeah, I've gotten an entry with CHFJPY, as in an entry opportunity, not yet triggered. So as you can see, we entered into our supply zone, and yeah, we've formed our change of character right here after taking out this low right here. Yes. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to set my limits. Yeah. How many pips stop loss? 8.6 pips. So just calculate the lot size quickly. So 0.7 lots, we see. Okay, I've set my limits. For Euro USD, they haven't yet been triggered. And my stop loss will be at 140.279. Okay, so I've set the limits. We'll see what price has in store for us. So I'm targeting, my final target is actually the low. As you can see, the 4H low right here. And yeah, I'm waiting for price to trigger me in. So I'll update you on how the trade goes. What's up, guys? So we've been triggered into the trade. As you can see, we've been triggered. And so I'll update you on how the trade will go. Yeah. Euro USD, we have not yet been triggered. Price has begun to consolidate. Yes, so nothing interesting going on with Euro USD. Yeah, in this trade it was very unfortunate. Price literally just took me out by the week because of the news. CPI took me out by the week and literally went in my direction. But it happens, it's part of the game. So yeah, anyway, we'll see how things will go. Okay, so as you can see, the trade is going in our direction, and we've broken structure, hence I'm going to set break even. We've broken this structure right here, so I'm going to set break even now. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. 140.196. That's our break even. Yeah. So if price were to go below this low, here, then it means we'll most likely be stopped out. Hence, break even is going to save us from that. Yeah. So I'll update you. EURUSD still not triggered. Yeah. Okay. So as we can see, we've been taken out at break even. Yeah. Price has tapped me out. So I'm officially out of the trade. I can't re-enter, I can't do anything. It does not support my rules, so this trade, we're done with it. But if we do take out this high, and price forms a change of character while still being within our supply zone, then I can now get a re-entry. But right now, nothing, just observe. Yeah. What's up, people? So something crazy has really happened. So apparently there was a CPI again. For some reason I did not pay attention. I need to start paying attention to news more often. But there was CPI again, and apparently it has stopped me out of my EURUSD trade. So this, I actually realized this just 20 minutes ago. Yes, I actually forgot about the thing because I wasn't expecting myself to be triggered this early. So I even forgot about the trade. And then I just noticed my friends talking about CPI, whatever CPI. So, but I still did not check the charts. And then I saw someone who posted a EURUSD trade which he caught right here. He caught it right here when it started skyrocketing. Yes. And he said that he has been stopped out. So I was like, what? You've been stopped out? And like, I went to check my trade, and yeah, first I checked TradingView and I was like, whoa, that spike was freaking huge. Then I went to check on TradingView, hoping there was no slippage and stuff, and luckily, I'm very, very lucky, there was no slippage. In fact, I've lost way lesser money from this trade, this EURUSD trade. Yeah, I've lost like 35 USD, in fact 37, approximately 38 USD out of 50. So yeah, it's cool. It has balanced up some of these which are over exceeding 50. Yeah, so is an extra $11 loss there. It's supposed to be 200, but yeah, it's still cool. Yeah, otherwise it was freaking crazy, and I'm just surprised. So I'm done for the day. We'll see what tomorrow has in store for me and next week. Otherwise, the losing streak is still going on. It's freaking crazy, but you know, I'm expecting such losing streaks in my system because I've back tested and I know what to expect, and I know I'll get out of this losing streak very, very soon. And when I do get out of the losing streak, man, it will be really, really cool, because on the opposite side of the losing streaks, there is some crazy wins. Yeah, otherwise it's cool. We'll see how things will go. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace.